Hey everyone, Dr. Tam here, your pain specialist, chiropractor, where every single day I try to bring you ways to improve your health, functionality, and also longevity. So the weekend's coming up, it's beautiful outside, everyone wants to go out. Maybe you're there doing yard work, maybe you're gonna go for a bike ride, maybe you're just here to pick up and start crossing off your honey-do list. Now, whatever it may be, one thing I like everyone to do is treat every physical activity that you do like an athletic event. Now, what does that mean? When athletes go out, you see people going out and the track stars, Usain Bolt, or whoever you love is going out there for a 100-meter dash, or maybe when you see your favorite football players, not right now during COVID, right? Baseball players, basketball players, before even they played a game, aren't they kind of sweating already, right? They're like drenched in sweat before they even play. Why is that? Because they spent a lot of time prepping for the game. They're stretching, they're doing their warm-ups, they're making sure they're hydrated before they go out there. See, a lot of you are attacking these small tasks, which you think are small, but yet you spend hours doing it. In the garage, in the garden, yard, honey-do list. You spend hours, but you're not really doing everything right to make sure your body stays safe. Here's what happens. If you're not preparing your body the right way, you're going to increase the rate of your body breaking down. It's like your car. Imagine every time you start your car, you just smash on the pedal and you're going from 0 to red line all the time, okay? That's what a lot of you are doing when you first wake up. You're not really doing any prep work and you're just going out there. You're gonna end up wearing away your muscles, your ligaments, your tendons, your joints, and you're gonna get early onset of arthritis, right? And the disc will start breaking down a lot quicker. Here's what you need to do. Number one, before you do anything, make sure you warm up. Warm up your muscles. I mean, your shoulders, right? Just go forward, go backwards, okay? Make sure they're working correctly. 20 times on each side, swivel your hips like you're doing like a hula hoop, okay? Back and forth, swing your legs back and forth. That's going to be your warm up. Do at least 5 minutes of warm up. You're gonna be out there for hours at a time. Give yourself 5 minutes to warm up, please. And then you're gonna stretch for maybe another 5 minutes, okay? Your lower back, your legs, your arms, make sure you do those stretches. Click on the link below to see some of my top stretches that you can do. Once you're warmed up and stretched out, now you are absolutely ready for the athletic event, whether it's yard work, honey-do list, gardening, whatever it may be. But here's the thing, every half hour to 45 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Just take a breather, drink some water, let your muscles relax, okay? Not doing that, it's kind of like you're just, lifting weights or just running the whole time and not resting. Your body, once again, will break down a lot faster that way. And that's why I see people who are like long distance runners that aren't stopping to take a break. Ankles, knees, shoulders, hips, they all start to break down over time if you're not doing the right things to prepare for that. Now, professional runners, they're doing a lot of prep work before they run. Believe me, they are, okay? Now, then what do you do afterwards? Right when you come back into the house, don't just plop down on the couch. Make sure you drink lots of water, stretch, okay? And then relax. And then that evening, if you've done something a little bit more strenuous, relax that evening, but also stretch before you go to sleep. You do not want your muscles all knotted up and tight like this while you're going to sleep, because if you do, guess what happens when you wake up the next morning? You're gonna be really, really sore and you're gonna wonder what happened that morning. Well, it wasn't something that you did that morning, it was something that you did the night before, okay? All the work that you did, you overdid yourself. But if you prepare the right way, chances are you won't overdo yourself the following day, okay? Or you won't feel like you overdid yourself the following day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Prep the right way, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the sun out there, get some vitamin D, but make sure you do it right, treat your body right, like an athlete. Have a great day.